In this demo, we'll show you how to create a multi-city itinerary. In the Let's Go page, select multi-city, enter in your departure location and departure date, enter in your arrival location and departure date from that location. You can add additional destinations by clicking the Add Destination button in the multi-city flight. You can tell Alfred your preferred transport method by selecting air, land, sea or fastest. Click Build My Itinerary and Alfred will build the itinerary.